Hei te aroha ki a mātou te huna ora.
E rima wiki te roa e tatari ana te whānau o Jimmy Brennan kia rakatira ai tā rātou poroporoaki i a Jimmy.
Ai ono te takutiriki e te wakari rā tā. Kiwi tā te whōra na hau tā o te ao Māori.
Kāore i tutuki tā rātou i whakatau ai.
No, I don't think we were prepared for them. Throughout this whole process, I mean, in my other life, I've managed quite a few events. As I was working through this, I started to notice that it was starting to act like an event instead of a collection of ideas to have our brother buried at the Urupa. So I didn't anticipate any numbers to be there apart from our 10 and the 2 at the marae, 3 at marae.
I mate a Jimmy Brennan i muri tataake i te taumata tū takarerewa tuawhā. No taua mate ka ko noho te tūpāpaku ki te pauaka mātā.
And it's been painful, exhausting, the hardest thing I've been through in my life.
The tangi moved and evolved the way it would do for any chief, for any orator on the paipai, for any chief that goes off to every other tangi and you know, represents other people. And it just got out of control and we couldn't control that. It was just unfortunate.
Ko puta i te kāwanataka ia minita pēni henare te kōrero. Ko whatia ka ture takihanga. Ka mutu koe nei ture he mea haka ki te taha o te iwi Māori.
I was disappointed with that because I felt we'd done everything that we could, and we did. We had a plan. We only told a certain amount of people, that was the 10. It was all communicated well, and it got out of hand when we got there, but we followed the rules, and we've been following the rules since day one.
E ki mai ana, Brennan, kei te tuki te tikaka Māori ki ka ture tūtakarerewa o te wā.
You know, I'd really, if anything, I'd like to pass on my apologies to those whānaus because of the restriction, not only at my brother's tangi, but in every other tangi around the country, that are not able to attend because of the restrictions. So it's just unfortunate for them.
I te koreka i pūraki ahoa ke te ki te atu te rā e hiki ai te rāhui, me waia pia te Māori ki ka panoni taka tikaka i tēnei wā. Henare Te Aika-Puanaki, Tahu News.